In this guide, we're going over the very best deck for you to use here in Clash Royale in Arena 19. Now, Arena 19 does give us a pretty awesome deck, but before we do dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. The deck that you're going to want to use if you are in Arena 19 is going to be the P.E.K.K.A. Zap Bridge Spam deck. This is by far one of the strongest control and pressure decks in all of Clash Royale. And essentially, the way that it does work is your P.E.K.K.A. is going to be the core defensive powerhouse here rather than offensive. The P.E.K.K.A. is going to shut down tanks, Mega Knights, and even Royal Giants with ease. Once the P.E.K.K.A. does clean up, it's going to go ahead and march across the bridge and demand a response. You can pair it with the Battle Ram, Bandit, or Royal Ghost to keep up the relentless bridge pressure. Now, the Electro Wizard actually adds incredible defensive value. It's going to stun troops and reset Inferno targets, while Magic Archer is going to give you an insane sniping potential. Line them up properly, and you'll shred both troops and towers at the exact same time. For spells, you really only have Fireball and Zap here. These are going to keep you safe against swarms and medium units. Zap in particular makes this deck cycle friendly and does help in terms of resetting Infernos or even Sparky. But overall, this deck's attack is godly, defense is godly, synergy is great, and versatility is strong. It does work in single elixir, but it becomes brutal in double elixir when bridge spam pressure never stops. Obviously, the free-to-play score is going to be a little bit rough since it is packed with legendaries, but if you have the cards and you're in Arena 19, this is where this deck is going to dominate. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.